What if I told you that a single one-page website built with AI tools is making over $400,000? Sounds crazy, right? But I'll prove it. And the best part? You don't need coding. You don't need design skills. You don't even need a team. Just AI. And a simple system. In this video, I'll break it all down. Step by step. From idea, to traffic, to revenue. And yes, I'll show you the exact AI tools. Tools that cut my work time in half. Tools that made me my first $100. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Because once you see it, you'll never think the same way about websites again. Ready? Let's go. Here's the secret. You don't need a big website. You don't need 10 pages. Or even 5. Just one. One page. One clear offer. One way to collect payments. That's it. And here's how I built mine. Step 1. Find a problem people pay to solve. I used AI research tools. They pulled thousands of searches in seconds and gave me a niche that's profitable and trending. Step 2. Build the page. Most people waste weeks hiring designers, learning WordPress. Not me. I used AI website builders. Drag. Drop. Done. In under 1 hour. Step 3. Write copy. That sells. But here's the trick, I didn't write a word. I let AI write it. Headlines. Bullet points. Calls to action. All AI generated. But sounding human. And converting like crazy. Step 4. Monetize. No ads. No affiliates. No drop shipping. Instead, I created a simple offer. A digital product. I helped me build it. And deliver it. Automated. Zero inventory. Zero shipping. 100% profit margin. Now you're wondering, but how did I get traffic? Here's the secret weapon. I didn't pay for ads. I used AI for content. Short videos. Blog posts. Social captions. All made in minutes. All optimized for search. All consistent. That brought in organic traffic. Without spending a dime. And traffic equals revenue. Simple math. Like this so far? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because every week, I share new AI money-making tools. And you'll want to stay ahead. Let's get back. Here's the real kicker. Scaling. Most people stop at one website. But I used AI to duplicate the process. Niche after niche. Offer after offer. Same framework. Different markets. And revenue stacked up. Fast. $100 turned into $1,000. $1,000 turned into $10,000. And before I knew it, $400,000. From AI. And a one-page website. But let's get practical. You can do this too. Start small. Find a niche. Build one page. Use AI copywriting. Add one digital offer. Then drive traffic with AI content. That's the formula. And it works. No fancy branding. No million-dollar ads. Just AI tools. And focus. Let me give you examples. One student built a page, selling digital templates. $2,000 in 30 days. Another sold an ebook, written entirely by AI. $5,000 launch. Another? Coaching program. Automated with AI emails. $12,000 in sales. And the best part? They started with zero experience. Just like you. That's the opportunity right now. AI levels the field. Anyone can start. And the earlier you start, the faster you grow. So ask yourself, what's stopping you? Fear? Doubt? Overthinking? Let AI do the heavy lifting. All you need is action. And consistency. Now, let's dive deeper. Which tools did I use? AI Research Tool for niches. AI Website Builder. AI Copywriter. AI Product Creator. AI Content Generator. That's the stack. That's the system. And here's the kicker, most are free. Or dirt cheap. Meaning anyone can start. Even with no budget. And if you stay till the end, I'll reveal the one tool that made me my first $100. It's ridiculously simple. But powerful. Don't miss it. Now here's a bonus trick. Automation. I linked AI tools together. Website. Copy. Product. Traffic. Emails. Sales. All automated. Which means, money comes in while I sleep. That's the dream, right? Well, it's possible now. Thanks to AI. And here's the mindset shift. You don't need to work harder. You just need better tools. And better systems. AI gives you both. So stop waiting. Start testing. Start building. Even if it's messy. Even if it's imperfect. Your first page won't be perfect. But it will be progress. And progress leads to results. That's how I started. And that's how you'll start too. So here's your action step today. Pick one niche. Use AI to validate it. Build one page. Add one offer. Launch it. Don't wait. Just launch. Then optimize. Repeat. That's the game. And if you stay consistent, you'll win. And now, the tool you've been waiting for. The one that made me my first $100. Drumroll, an AI copywriting tool that writes high-converting sales pages in minutes. That's it. No fancy setup. Just AI copy. On a one-page site. And it worked. So if you're serious, try it. Build your first page today. And share your results. I want to see what you build. And remember, this is just the beginning. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Don't miss it. Hit that subscribe button. Click the bell. Because I drop these AI money-making tools every week. And you don't want to fall behind. Let's grow together. Let's build together. And let's win with AI. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Take action today.